Please don't ask me what am I thinking. It's about you. And please don't ask me, I never can see you. What can I do? When first and past and surrounds your side, my heart's not free, and so I must hide. Please don't ask me what I'm gonna say to you. The doors unsolved and sleep at night. It's worrying me. I go to bed turn out the light, but your face I see. It's only her. The more I pretend that we could never be more than friends. Please don't ask me what I'm so in love with you. You could easily make me happy, that I know. But I try my best to never tell you so. I will sing to you my love song and pretend, and I'll keep the secret right down to the end. Please don't ask me what I'm not talking. I just can't explain. And please don't ask me why I go walking out in the rain. I could not live the lie it will take to have you here. Won't be a mistake. Please don't ask me why I'm still in love with you. No, please don't ask me. Thank you for watching, everyone. Happy Saturday.